we are going to do another COVID craft. We are going to be making some bracelets and necklaces. Once again, I got my supplies from Dollarama or the dollar store. You can get it at your nearest dollar store. We have some of this string here. Yeah, and some
pens and some scissors. And some like FruitLoop there.
Right, okay, so Omi says she wants to do a necklace. Liv says she wants to do a bracelet. Here we go.
Let me like do mine.
I'm gonna dump mine because I want mine to be in a pattern.
I'll probably do mine too. I'll do mine.
What did I start? Let's see who can do it. Should this be erased? Is that a good idea to make this erased? I mean, not everything has to be erased, right?
Yeah, like erase is not really.
Okay, here we go. So I am color coding mine. Actually, no, I'm making a pattern. I don't know if anybody else is making a pattern, but that is what I'm doing. So, yeah.
Ooh, I have a great idea.
Oh my gosh, you know what we forgot to do?
What?
I forgot to mention to our friends that actually in the light of it's March for St. Patrick's Day, I made these little clovers and I'm just gonna punch 3 little holes here and we can put it in the middle of our bracelet. So while Omi and Libs is doing that, I'm gonna get cutting away at this. What do you want in the middle of yours? Do you want your name?
I want my name Omi.
What do you want on yours?
Ooh, big chop.
Liz, what do you want on yours? Do you want your name?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
So what I'm doing is I'm gonna do all yellow, and when I run out of yellow, I'm going to the next pattern.
All right.
I wanted to make actually a next color. I wanted to make a necklace and a bracelet.
Yeah.
A necklace, a bracelet with the necklace, but my mom said.
So after you make your bracelet, what are you going to be doing with this thing?
I'm gonna be saving it in a pouch so that when I'm hungry, I can just eat one.
What? In a pouch? How long are you going to have that sitting around in a pouch for?
But then it'll take away all the sweetness and you won't even taste anything. And I actually forgot that it was called a plastic bag.
Oh my
Yeah,
gosh.
just put it in a plastic bag, then you can eat it.
So you're going to eat yours right away?
This is how mine is so far, guys. Mine is almost done.
Yeah?
And you can go and talk.
Nice. All right, so we have our clovers, our 3-lip clovers cut out.
Can I have one?
Yeah, go ahead. You could write your name in the middle.
Mom, look.
Unfortunately, I couldn't find my hole punch, so I'm just going to kind of stick a hole in the middle. And call that a day. Guys, please get an adult to do that for you if you don't have a hole punch, because we don't want any bloody fingers around. That didn't come out right, did it? We don't want your fingers to get cut. Okay.
Okay, we don't want it to get cut. Alright, that's good.
All right, there you go. Omi, you're welcome. And then Liz.
Oh man, I forgot to do this first in the middle. Oh my gosh, look at this, friends.
Cool.
Okay, now I'm definitely done.
You're done? Okay, so are we just gonna tie it up? Are we gonna
No,
forget
but
about?
I'm in.
Okay, so I guess for her, we're gonna forget about the clover for now. It was a nice idea, but unfortunately I did it too late. And what's nice about this is that you could just tie it in a little knot and there you go.
Here's it.
And what can you do with it? Let's see. What can you do with it? Yeah, there you go. Fun, fun, fun.
And maybe if you're hungry again, you could put it back some more and probably ask your parents to tie it back.
All right, so obviously we're not going to be able to finish all, but this is the idea. So Omi has hers done. This one's eating away. All right, put it around your neck. Let's see how it's gonna look. Nice. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining us again for another COVID activity. Bye.
Bye.